Hey Pokemon fans, it's Nick and welcome back to another video. Today, we have something that I've been looking forward to opening for quite a while. Not this one, but the Trainer's Toolkit that, you can see me in the reflection. We got this at Target today. They had 4 of them in stock, but I felt like it wasn't fair if I picked them all up. So, I'll give you a little sneak of what's inside, if I can get out of the light. Got everything right there that we could find. This was purchased for these, and the two Dedenne GX. So I'm going to do my best to switch seats. Hold on. We're gonna get into this trainer toolkit. This has, as you can see, 150 cards, 4 packs, 65 sleeves, 2 rule books, dice, and condition markers. Just crack right on into it. Yeah, I'm super excited. Actually, I found this in a Target. Like, when's the last time you guys have actually found stuff in store? And where I live in New York, it's very, very difficult to find literally anything. So, it's a real nice box. I'll tell you that much. But all right. Oh yeah. So we're gonna start off. We're gonna show everything that's in the box here. I'm gonna save these for last. I'm not gonna even look at them. I'm not even gonna look at them. I'm gonna set those over. They got 4 of those right there. I have dice, the 2 condition markers, and the rule books are down there. These sleeves. Oh, these are nice. I like those sleeves a lot. And then we have some, yes, this is what we want to start off with. We have the Dedenne deck, I think. I'll give you guys the code card in just a second. Actually, I think I might keep the one for myself. I don't know. But yeah, we're just gonna quickly go through these full arts. There's 2 full art Dedenne GX cards, which, yes, those are beautiful cards. I'm going to sleeve them up here in a second. And we have a bunch of, like, trainer cards, and they're all trainer cards in here. So those are all cool. And yeah, I don't know much about the TCG itself. Like I said, I'm a collector, but we're gonna go ahead and just put that. And you know what? I should leave it the way it is here. Move all this crap out of the way. So we have, I think this is all energies, to be honest with you guys. So I'm not gonna open this. Looks like it's gonna stay right here in the box. Oh, dropping cards over, knocking them over. So I'm gonna go ahead and set these to the side. And let me get you guys that code. I was gonna keep it, but I think it's better to give it to you guys. And here is the code for the whole entire Trainer's Toolkit. Okay, let's go ahead and close this back up. See what we got. We have Sun and Moon Burning Shadows, 1 Sword and Shield base, 2 Rebel Clash. This pack, guys, does that look resealed to you? No. There's definitely some kind of printing error on it though. That's weird. We're gonna actually save this pack for last. So let's start with Sun and Moon Burning Shadows. Let's speak that Rainbow Charizard into existence. Guys, ready? There's your code card. Okay. We got a Metal Energy, Weakness Policy, Heat More, Kirlia, Meowth, Alolan Vulpix, Wimpod, Togedemaru, Krogunk, Reverse Hollow Electivire, and a Malamar. Well, I'm sorry if I got a little shaky. The table is not very stable. All right, move on to Sword and Shield. What do you think we got in here, guys? Let me know. Let me know in the comments what your predictions are for the rest of this box and the 2 X and Y packs that we have. If I can open the damn thing. There we go. Okay. I caught a peek at the code card. It was white. There you go. Make sure you got that. 4 from the back. Fighting Energy. Rare Candy. Lumberry. Corvisquire. Chinchou. Sizzlipede. Galarian Zigzagoon. Mana. Schnom. Rookidee. And shut up. Shut up. Shut up. No! You've got to be kidding me! I just pulled... Guys, are you kidding me right now? This card, I believe, is worth around $60 or $70. The price will be at the corner of the screen. But look at this. This is one of the rarest cards in the set. I'm not even waiting. I'm not waiting. I have to be so careful with this. I can't even get... Look, guys, I'm literally shaking. I'm struggling. I can't get the sleeve. I was gonna wait to post this. This is going up tomorrow. I'm really struggling, guys. Okay, we got it. Gentle, very gentle. Guys, are you... I don't even know what to say right now. Can confirm white code. And just to prove it to you, Sword and Shield base. Guys, give me 5 seconds. I went to get my computer. Guys, right here. $69.99. And that's what I pulled. All right, let's keep it going. My phone is at 20%, so we gotta speed through the rest of this. I got 4 packs left. Guys, there's something in there. I just ruined it. We're not even gonna do the card trick. Honedge, Magmar, Electabuzz, Squovit. Oh my god! This trainer toolkit. This is my first rainbow. There's a... oh my, Jesus Christ. And here comes the MacBook again. Here's the MacBook. Here's another Rebel Clash pack we're gonna get to. And in just a minute, just let me, that's another good card. So, I think, and these two Dedenes, okay. I'm good. I had to take a second to calm down. But let's take a look at this Toxtricity VMAX, which I think is technically a secret rare. Sure is. Guys. I can't even believe it. This Trainer's Toolkit. Go pick yourself up one. If you're in my area, they have 3 left, the target I was at. Should have bought another one, man. You know what? It's okay, I made my money back. I literally made my money back today. And that's pretty okay. Okay. Here's that, and I don't think there's anything in this one. But you never really know. You never know. Alright. What the heck did I do? You've got to be kidding me! Guys, I messed up the card trick so badly there. I don't know. What did I do? I have to watch that back. But here is another freaking ultra, another rare. Are you kidding me right now? That's 3 rares out of the Trainer's Toolkit. And I still have 2 more packs to open. Like, how? How is that possible? Like, I actually don't understand. Like, do I go back to Target and buy all the rest of them? No, I can't do that because I don't have that kind of money. But fuck, dude. Alright. Here, I'm gonna sleeve up these 2 to Dene real quick, and then I'm gonna just sit here and vent. This, I think, has got to be by far the best pack opening, the best opening that I've done to this point in my 1 month of making videos on Pokemon. I literally started making videos on Pokemon in early December, and just in the Trainer's Toolkit, okay guys? In order of pulls, we got 2 Dedenne Full Arts, which are promos. Right? Pretty sure. Yes. A Toxtricity V Rainbow Rare. Secret Rare Rainbow Rare. And another... I'm sweating. I'm sweating. And it's like 9 degrees outside. There's a fucking blizzard on the way. Let's get into this Kangaskhan pin collection box hanger thing from Walgreens. I was gonna power through these, no card tricks or anything, because I'm running like pretty long here. But I cannot comprehend what just happened here. Here's that. What are we gonna open first? Let's see. Breakpoint. Here we go. Remember, geez, these X and Y wrappers just pop off. All right. Can my luck continue? I doubt it. There's a code card. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3. Boom. Did I screw it up again? Who knows? Gabite. All Night Party. Psychic's Third Eye. Honedge. Squirrel. Spritzy. Timple. I skipped that. Chikorita. Lilligant. And a Sizor EX. What is going on? What is this opening, guys? I'm genuinely I'm like flustered. I'm actually flustered. There's such a mess on the screen. I am so sorry. Messes after messes. All right, let's move these out of the way. Like, look, this is what I gotta clean up afterwards. All right. Now we got this Fates Collide booster pack. The last one of the video, and then we'll go through everything that I pulled today. Here's your code card for the Fates Collide pack. Now let's just have a normal one. Let's just have one normal pack. I think. Okay. Oh, I screwed it up again. Well, did I do 4? That might have been why. But all right, that is the opening. There's only holo of today was a Mew, but I like the Mew. I like Mew. I do. So I'm gonna just leave that up as well, because we just had, I think, the best opening that I've ever had on YouTube. Let's just go through all the pulls one more time, except for the promos, because you guys know that the Denny's come with the Trader's Toolkit. We got a Holo Mew, okay, Scissor EX, Toxtricity V, Zamazenta Secret Rare Gold, and a Toxtricity VMAX. And I apologize sincerely for my language in this video. I'm just... yeah, I just doubled my money? Like, what? This was all $47 today. I pretty much doubled that. So, if you guys are new to the channel and you enjoyed this video, I'm trying to hit 4,000 subscribers here. Here are these Denny's again while I talk, when I hit my outro. And we'll just throw in this this Rainbow Rare as well, because my first one. If you guys are new to the channel and like this kind of content, make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave a like. We are on the road to 4,000. I am, to say I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.